Okay, gentlemen, here's another video. What we do is I'm showing you how to use the SENSU extension in order to bookmark some Instagram pictures and send them to somebody else together with some other items, maybe a YouTube video. So what we have here is a folder. You can create folders by clicking down here on this symbol to create a new folder. And in this case, I changed the design of the folder. You can do that here with this. We will change all that. This is right now not where it should be. And call it transparent too. So if in design now have a transparent folder design, and I can move objects into here, place them. I can also upload stuff, like some here from the hard disk, to upload files. But as for now, what we want to do is we want to use the browser extension. So I now go to the Instagram account from Trevor. I already installed the browser extension. There's another video that describes how that works. It's a SENSU content clipper. You can install that. You click on here, you can activate it. Down here we have the same folders that I have here in my SENSU account. It's actually an exact replica. Just to show you that, if you go back here to Instagram, and here I have the folder from Nick Knight. You see the same items down here. So I now access this transfer folder, and I drag Instagram pictures inside. So I can take any link that I see here. These pictures are actually links, and just drag them down. Here I select the items that I like, and SENSU extracts the whole thing through the extension. Don't have to really do much, just drag it in. The extension can scale this, so here I can review the items in big. It's pretty cool. There's nothing out there that can bookmark Instagram pictures, not like this, and display them high resolution. Of course, I can go here between the tabs that I have open here. It's a cool way to bookmark because I can open many folders and then I can drag whatever I want into it. So let me go back to this here, make that a little bit smaller, maybe even get rid of it. And now I go back to SENSU. And here, as you can see, if I go to transfer, you see the same pictures that I just bookmarked, which is pretty cool. Here I have this folder where I bookmarked everything. This is, I think, a display bug, that it doesn't display it immediately. But just clicking a different display, for example, grid, or now the mosaic again. Here see the pictures. It shows it in the mosaic mode. It shows every item in what we call vintage Polaroid. That's a snippet that I designed. Later you can choose any kind of design that you like. Let's zoom out. Here I have some view options. For example, this is the magnifying, allows me to display things in big. It's a pretty cool option if you just want to look at things. It works similar to the selection bar. I can also load this folder into the selection bar here, which I already did. I can maximize this whole thing, and can create split screens and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of things you can do. Besides that, now when I create a selection out of this, for example, I want to send a few items from here. I want to send this one, this one, and this one, and this one to a friend, but then also I have a different folder here. I can continue my selection. Let me just take a look at this folder here. I want to select some items here from the folder called Blade Runner, and I select this and this, the folder that I like. Also this one, maybe this GIF, and this video from Ghost in a Shell, and this one. I can close this folder. I can now go to another folder that I have a mood board that I created. I'm gonna select some photos from Cirque du Soleil, and that's enough for me. This one too. And as we can see down here on the right, we have the selection tab that allows me to review a selection that I created from anywhere, including like the videos. You can review the videos also by playing them. Let's do that right now. Here, this streams now to YouTube. So I can see what I did here. Of course, I can watch as many videos as I want at the same time. I can change the size here and scroll while I'm watching. There's really no limitations how I can deal with that media. It's really up to me. So now that I reviewed this selection, as you can see in the folders where I selected from, the items are still selected. It doesn't matter if I have that folder open or not. You can always review my selection. Now go here to send, right down here. Just type in the name, some test. And this now creates an internet page that anybody can access. This is the link. You can copy and paste this, send it to somebody. You can zoom down here. You see the slider. I can change the view. This is what we call the grid. You have the mood board view. I have no mood board defined for this one. And I can also create a selection here, open the selection bar, review the selection in big, can send it back. If I type in a name here right now, then this is being sent back to my SENSU account. You see it up here. Receive the selection. It's an easy way for photographers and editors to communicate with each other. And I can also select pictures like this. I can download them. We download to my hard disk. So this is a way to create a selection and to send it to somebody. Very simple. Here in the inbox, we now see the selection that somebody sent back.